give her a little bit, you know, and it slipped at pony times. I gave her a whole tube. So they were drug testing her. All the ponies drug tested. And it wasn't because she was quiet.
But that passes. You can be quiet that time.
So much. And I said, so how much can you have in there? We were okay, but you know, wow, it took quite a bit. I'm like,
See, if Hickey doesn't go on the show without you. Ever heard of that stuff called Trouble Free?
no, what's that?
Oh, it's tough on the market.
We have the results of class number 23.
Yeah, Trouble Free. It's better
In
than
first place, we have
Flights
Kristen
actually call me
Wasoja
if they
riding
don't
Welsh
work for
Hill,
Hickey.
Picture Perfect.
And
In
it's
second
awesome.
place, we
I give it to
have
him
Carrie
at 5 in the morning, and then I give him
Punkowski
another dose
riding
around 9,
On a
and
Whim.
then 2 hours out again.
In third place, we have Alexander Bernardi
It's
riding
expensive.
Rappingham.
It's like 18
And
bucks.
in fourth place, we have Liz Andwood riding Beastie.
Nice little rounds you have.
Beastie.
And in class number 24, we have the results. And again, in